How cool is this? 1980 Camaro Z28. Woo-hoo! This is the stuff that nightmares are made of.
It's good?
Yeah, this is perfect, man. Full of personality.
Yeah.
Oh, double shot, double shot. Here we go. What's up, Brandon? Look at this. 1980 Camaro Z28. I love it, dude. What's up, man?
Good,
how's it going, buddy?
Good.
Look at this. Black on black. This kind of Camaro is the one that got you in trouble back in high school.
Yeah.
But now it just gives you a thumbs up because this is just a cool looking Camaro. This is gonna be an awesome episode.
I'm gonna try and get it fired up.
Uh-oh, this is gonna be a semi-awesome episode of Car Shops and Collections. We'll get it fired up. Well, officially, everyone, welcome to Car Shops and Collections. My name is JC, and this is Brandon, dude. It's good to see you again, buddy.
Likewise.
We first met Brandon when we did the 1971 Datsun 510, the Peter Brock tribute. We went to Peter Brock's shop, did a whole episode. We're talking with Brandon. He tells me, by the way, I got a 1980 Camaro Z28. I'm like, dude, we gotta come see it. This is awesome, man. I love this look. I love the black on black look. You say it's a 1980. The first thing that jumps out to me is on the side vents here. These are the side vents of a 1979 Z28, because in 1980 they went to like the one vent.
Yep.
It is a 1980 though.
It is a 1980.
We think someone swapped out?
Swapped out that vent, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she's an 80.
Yeah. Look at the front end here. I love the look of the front end of a Z28. It's like, it's menacing. The split grille, it's like it's looking for a fight. It's like ready to go. Let's have at it. Let's take someone on here. Under the hood, you have the hood popped underneath here. Edelbrock, some modifications done to it. About how many horsepower do you think you have in it?
Well, I have no idea. It's pretty quick though. She moves when she wants to, so she's pretty quick.
Do you want to start it up?
Yeah, see if she'll go.
When's the last time it started?
I say 4 months.
4 months?
4 months.
We got faith.
She's gonna kick out some smoke and some noise, so.
All right, that's good. We got faith, unless she's camera shy, but we got faith that this 1980 Z28 Camaro is gonna start. Can I shut the trunk?
Yep.
It's got character.
Yeah, she's
1981 is when I believe they went to that Space Saver spare. So would the full spare been here back in 1980? Yeah.
all right. I think I moved everything from under it.
Well, you're moving stuff around?
No. Yeah, I had all the stuff you see here was piled around it, so it's been buried.
That's very common. You got the project car stuff builds up around it. I do want to point out before you shut the trunk, this was obviously painted. Is this the original color that we're seeing?
It is gold.
Was it really?
Yep. Oh, you can barely see it in there. It's a bad paint job, but
yeah.
I'm glad it's still there, some of it.
And the faded out Z28 badge back here.
Yeah.
Because that normal Z28, you got the stripes along the side, you got that Z28 badge on the front, which can all come off and...
You ready, JC? Let's see. Might take a few.
Okay. Oh.
She might be camera shy.
That's all right, that's all right.
Yeah, she might not roll. Oh, man. Come on, baby.
This is your moment. This is your moment to shine.
I don't know, JC.
This is your moment.
Ooh, a little bit, maybe.
And we can either do this one of two ways, where you're seeing all this happen, or I can do a quick edit. All of a sudden, it starts on the first try. There it is.
That was your quick edit.
There it is. It's alive. Oh my God, man, that's awesome.
Took a little bit, but she got there.
I feel it, right?
Yeah.
I feel some power. Yeah.
Yeah, she can move.
Come on now. Did you have a vision for this when you bought this?
I wanted the Camaro, the Z28, and the T-top is what I wanted.
Yep.
So, I mean, it was perfect that it came black, so.
Aftermarket T-tops,
Yeah, these are the CNC T-tops, aftermarkets. I think they only made these. So when I bought it, I only had one.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah, I only had one. The guy broke one of them that I bought it from. It took me forever to find one.
Yeah.
$800.
Was it really?
Yeah, it was expensive, but I'm like, I gotta have it.
I wish you could smell this garage right now.
Yeah.
The exhaust is a great smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, I think this just, I mean, ups the coolness factor of it to have the T-tops. And I think if they were Fisher body T-tops, it'd be a wider split here in the center. Do you want to let it idle for a second? Do you want to back it out, or?
Yeah, I'll let it idle for a minute.
You want to shut the hood?
Yeah.
The hood scoop, is this an aftermarket hood then?
I think so, I can't tell you.
Because it doesn't have the cold air induction. Is that functioning back there? Yeah.
A little bit, but it looks like it's closed off though up top.
Closed off, yeah.
Cool car.
Dude, it's an awesome car.
You can have it. You gonna back it out?
Yeah, well, do you want to back it out? I can't, it's hard to see. With the VIN, for 1980, the 6 digit should be an A for 1980.
Okay.
So I'm guessing, I mean, it's your car, you know it, so, but the people that are pointing out, because that vent, if it's an A, 6 digit, it's 1980. We've had, this year, we've had a 78, a 79, and an 81 Z28. So now we got our 1980 Z28.
There's a VIN.
Yeah, so there's that A. So there's that, right there. There's your A to show that it's a 19, this is a 1980 Camaro Z28. In 1980, it's a unique year, I think, for the Camaro because EPA, emissions and everything, there's less horsepower in a 1980 than a 79, and sales for an 80 Camaro, they were down. Here we go. How cool is this? How cool is this? 1980 Camaro Z28. Woo-hoo! This is the stuff that nightmares are made of.
It's good?
Yeah, this is perfect, man. Full of personality.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Man, I love it. I love it so much.
He's dirty as heck.
Even though, like the wheels, yeah, obviously aftermarket wheels, but the wheels fit. It fits the car, you know? It fits the paint. So there, is that some of the gold underneath?
Mine might be like some surface rust.
Okay.
It's a crappy paint job.
Okay, is it a 1979 dash then? Because in 1980, I'm pretty sure.
You would know more about these than me, JC.
Well, Gene, come around, or Gene, Lance, you with the camera. Who am I talking to today? 1980, I believe, is when they went to the 85 mile per hour.
Oh, because like you said, they lowered the emissions?
Yeah, yeah. Which I thought it was an 80 that they switched. It could have been 81, so it could be wrong, but Camaro experts, let us know. So if that's the case, is this a 79? They swap out the 79 dash, which they very well could have. That's interesting. Do you want to go for a ride around the block?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Probably got some old gas in here too.
You feel those Edelbrock upgrades, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. So what was your vision for this? You're telling me before we started filming that you had kind of like a Batmobile vision for it?
Because I'm in law enforcement, so I like Batman. He's my favorite character. So I wanted this to just be completely blacked out, everything black. Windshield, tint, everything. No chrome, no nothing but black. Lower it. and then have it look somewhat like a Batmobile in
Yeah.
a sense. That was my vision with it. Put the front spoiler back on it, get as low as I can without causing issues, but
Yep.
loud. It's already pretty loud. Think about taking off the mufflers, make it a little louder.
But now you're selling it.
Yeah,
So
I kind of want to get a Cadillac.
So it's for sale, everyone.
Yeah.
Hit me up, leave a message, direct message me on Instagram, and I'll connect you to.
Yeah, everything's for sale for the right price.
Yeah,
so.
exactly. It's true. Every episode, every car is for sale.
Yeah.
But now you want to get a Cadillac?
Yeah, I want to get a Caddy now.
A certain year?
Between 90 and 92. Those are my years that I like. I had a 90. Was my last Cadillac I had. So I love that year, the 90, 91, and 92. Big body, 4-door. That's my vision is.
I bet you do get a lot of thumbs up driving this,
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah, it's a cool car. Taking it to a couple car shows in Boulder City with the 510.
Uh-huh.
A couple car shows out there.
You really undersold this to me, by the way.
Yeah.
When you first messaged me about the Camaro, you're like, it's just a Camaro.
It is.
And I'm like,
It's
well, let us be the judge of that. And then you sent me
Yeah.
the picture. I'm like, dude, that's more than just a Camaro. But still, you didn't sell anything more. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, yeah, let's film it. And then we get out here, we ride in this, and I'm like, this is more than a 1980 Camaro. Personality, power, history, questions
Cool
about
car.
it. Is it a 79 dash? Is
Yeah.
it not?
Could
I know people are going
be a
over-
Frankenstein.
It is, yes. That was an awesome ride along. Awesome Camaro, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thanks
man.
for
I
being here.
appreciate it,
Yeah.
man. What else do you have? You keep dropping nuggets on me. We met with the Datsun. You told me about this.
Yeah, this is pretty much it here. The Datsun and the Camaro. That's it. Till I get a Cadillac.
Until you sell and get the Cadillac, and then we'll be back. But man,
In
oh
a perfect
man.
world, I'd keep them all and go
Right?
get a Cadillac.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. But whoo, I love it, man. Thank you so much, Brandon, for
Yeah, thank you guys.
sharing, and also for keeping it alive, right?
Yeah.
Keeping it alive and keeping it on the road. That's what this is all about. Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.